Welcome to ALTUS-1, a beautiful, lush, blue planet in the heart of space. A planet with a sad history, starting at the crash site. The crash site is the home of the comet, a large crystal that fell from the sky centuries ago. Its landing destroyed the environment and spread its crystals around. They now grow in chunks, invasive to the environment. The crash site, also known as the magma desert, is the home of many creatures, such as the bottom-feeding mushrooms, which feed on the nylium growing in the ground. Above them are the sniffers and stalkers, which brave the plains, eating both plant and animals. Finally, we have the hogs and piglins. The piglins are an ancient race of inhabitants on ALTUS-1. They were transformed by the blast from the comet. They feed on the crystals. Eventually, the crystals rot their mind and turn them into the hyper-aggressive and territorial hogs, which are very well known for attacking anything in sight. In this area, we can find the Strider homes, where the piglins breed them to use for travel. And finally, the infamous Mount Axel, a volcano that erupted after the tectonic plates of the planet shifted from the comet's explosion. Its flow of lava is constant. In the lush nylium forest lives the iron golems, who were created by the ancient species to care for the land. They place the walls you can see around and care for the animals, which include glow squids, pufferfish, and endermen. In the center of the land is the weeping willow, a tree whose roots grow deep in the ground, deep enough that water is able to be pulled into it and seep out of the leaves, both keeping the surrounding area wet and flowing into the lakes. Since the crash, it has not rained once in ALTUS-1. As we explore, we can see the spread of the crystals on the land, threatening to destroy this beautiful world eventually. If we look in the soil in both lands, we can see the magma desert soil resembles aridicel soil with a coarse, gravelly texture, or soils with hard pan layers of clay and lime. In contrast, the nylium forest soil resembles alluvial soils, sediment from rivers, and clay-rich soils. The two areas have completely separate temperatures due to the gas that exists around each ecosystem, trapping in the temperatures and moisture. We are left to wonder what remains for the planet of ALTUS-1. The crystals do ensure a swift fate for the creatures. Many questions have been posed by our researchers, such as how do the two ecosystems clash in the center without one interrupting the other? And honestly, we may never know. But I believe as long as the iron golems live, the planet will strive.
So I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you